Hey, it's Mark Nolan in the DEI garage, and right in front of us here we've got a must-have. This is the Muffler Shield Kit. This does just what you want. Reduce radiant heat coming off of your muffler. You don't want it to get inside, right? You got cooler interior now and protection from damaging heat. It's a two-piece muffler shield, so no adhesive, so no off-gassing or potential for smoking there. Two-piece shield is made from 10 mil dimpled aluminum and an 1/8 inch glass fiber insulation to go along with it as well. It's easily trimmed to fit most mufflers. It includes tough stainless steel straps for a secure installation as well. Great news here, handles direct heat up to 1100 degrees Fahrenheit. Extremely lightweight, and it's simple to install. You just trim it to size, wrap it around your muffler, and secure it with the straps. It acts as a thermal barrier to prevent heat intrusion. You don't want it anywhere inside your cab, right? Also protects components and lines close to mufflers from the heat soak and the damage that could be caused there. It's the Muffler Shield Kit. You can get it at designengineering.com.